3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome back to the Ishan Arora Experience, episode 16. And थोड़ा delay हुआ रहेगा मेरे side से, तो I've been busy. A lot is happening in my personal life. I've started drinking coffee वापस से. उस पर I will elaborate in another episode. But अभी के लिए I am back on coffee, so I want everyone to know this. And I've got a list of things that I want to talk to you guys about. आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना है मेरे को थोड़ी चीज़ें, my opinions. Firstly, if you guys are like ये शर्ट पहन के क्यों बैठा हुआ है, nothing special. I'm going out with your mother tonight, so she wanted me to look good, so I'm looking good for your mother. Other than that, I was messaging a friend of mine, Rishu. Shout out Rishu. उसने बोला था मेरे बारे में podcast कर. At the end of the day, women are self-centered, so that is your stupid little shout out. But besides the point, first thing जो मेरे को एड्रेस करना है आज के एपिसोड में is Northern Lights. अभी Northern Lights recently a lot of people को देखने को मिला था यूरोप में and US में because of some solar flare, some shit like that. So जहाँ पे usually वो रहते हैं, which is in Greenland, Iceland, some shit like that. वहाँ पे Alaska also, I'm not so sure. वो जगह छोड़ के everybody else around the world got to see Northern Lights. Now here's the thing, if you saw Northern Lights everywhere, like originally जो जगह है वो छोड़ के तुम्हें और किधर भी देखने को मिला, it is the equivalent of watching porn. Let me explain. If you saw Northern Lights today or whenever this video comes out, जब भी तुमने Northern Lights देखा, you basically saw porn instead of actual sex. Like porn कैसा रहता है, everyone can watch it, you don't have to like pay someone to do it, you are watching other people have fun and you're basically being a cuck. तो ये जो Northern Lights का था, I should call them something else. Flashlights नहीं, flashlights. ये जो flashlights लोगों को देखने को मिला है, that is not the real thing. You didn't go to the specific place जहाँ पे Northern Lights तुम्हें देखने को मिलता था. This you just happen to see because you are in close proximity. So you basically, if you saw Northern Lights सस्ते में and you weren't in the area, it was equivalent to you wanting to have sex, but because you couldn't afford it or you didn't have anyone to have sex with, you watched porn and then you jerked off. जो Instagram पे तो बहुत लोगों ने भाई सब, everyone who's in Europe and in the US are like, oh my god, Northern Lights, my dream has come true. What kind of sad person do you need to be कि budget Northern Lights में तुम्हारा सपना पूरा हो गया? I would much rather see the actual thing. It's like going to Lonavala Wax Museum. Still respect Lonavala, Mumbai, India, represent. But that is not the real thing. अगर तुम Lonavala जाके, if you look at the wax museum of some celebrity, you can't say you met the celebrity. So this was the wax version of Northern Lights. You didn't see the actual thing, and I'm pretty sure you'll never see the actual thing because you're fucking lazy and you're not going to amount to anything in your life. Moving on. बम्बल छोड़ो यार, बम्बल के बारे में मैं कभी और बात करूंगा. RCB, रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर. देखो, I've been watching IPL since I was like a kid. I've been watching IPL since I was a kid, ठीक है? And I've supported CSK तब से only. I stay in Mumbai, but I support CSK only for one person, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. ठीक है? That goes without saying. I've supported them पूरा, like they must have qualified like 27 times final के लिए and they've only won 5 times. So you can understand कि मेरे को कितना दर्द होता है. RCB on the other hand, see RCB के fans ना, they are the best of cricket culture. उन लोगों का team, and I'm a very big Virat Kohli fan, ठीक है? I feel that guy का aggression is much needed. I don't have any problems with him doing whatever. So I really like Virat Kohli. I'm a fanboy. But this whole RCB का team also I like. But उसके जो fans है ना, they suck bro. All of them are casuals. All of them have no cricketing knowledge. All of them, उनका team, भाई तुम्हारा team जीता ही नहीं है. Your team just doesn't know how to play. you have 0 trophies, पर तुम लोग इतना हवा में क्यों उड़ते हो? तुम लोगों के अंदर आग, तुम लोगों के अंदर इतना अकड़ किस बात का है? You guys beat चेन्नई मर के, ठीक है, गोटे मुंह में थे तुम लोग सब लोगों के, मर के तो तुम क्वालिफाई हो, और टीम सेलिब्रेट कर रही थी, दैट इज फाइन बिकॉज उनका अकम्पलिशमेंट है। ये इंस्टाग्राम पे जो फैंस है इन लोगों के, तुम लोग ऐसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो कि 12th मैन तो तुम लोग ही थे, कि भाई डग आउट में तो तुम ही बैठे हुए थे एंड तुमने ही पूरा मास्टरमाइंड किया है। दीज फैंस आर द मोस्ट डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल एंड मतलब डाउनराइट झापड़ मारने का मन करता है मेरे को। तो तुम लोगों को किस बात का अकड़ है? तुम लोग कप नहीं जीतने वाले हो, तुम लोगों का लेडीज टीम इज बेटर। The only way you guys have won anything is in a fucking other league. So RCB fans ना, and सब चुप हो गए after you got humiliated by Rajasthan Royals, after they did a बालिका वधू on you guys, सब लोग चुप हो गए। क्या ऐसा वो कप कुछ तो ये लोग बोलते हैं, I don't even want to say whatever these guys say. Where is the loyalty? You guys will talk इतना if you guys win one match. So you guys should have an equal and opposite reaction to when you guys lose, and you guys will lose. I don't want to sound like a hater, but you guys absolutely suck. If I don't know also, but like if I ever have kids and if my kid is an RCB fan, I will disown him or her. I don't care. I do not want to be associated with people who are such pussies. Like I don't understand what your deal is, RCB fans. Like I used to think Mumbai fans are fucking useless, but Mumbai fans at least have थोड़ा respect. वो लोग रोहित शर्मा mistreat हो रहा था, they were like, what the fuck is this going on? They like somewhat accepted Hardik Pandya. But RCB fans, you guys suck, bro. You guys are genuinely red flags. Like if you're dating someone and if he or she is an RCB fan, bro, I think you can do so much better. हाँ, अच्छा लगा मेरे को। Next thing. बम्बल, ठीक है, नाउ बम्बल ना मेरे को सबसे बड़ा स्कैम आफ्टर आरसीबी लगता है। आरसीबी तो ठीक है, बम्बल आफ्टर आरसीबी बम्बल इज लाइक अ बिगर स्कैम। सो बम्बल का जिसको पता नहीं है कॉन्सेप्ट, इज अ डेटिंग ऐप फॉर चिक्स, फॉर वुमेन्स, इट्स लाइक वुमेन्स ओरिएंटेड एंड स्टफ। सो द चिक मेक्स द फर्स्ट मूव, दैट is the biggest design flaw I've ever seen in anything in life. If you want a chick to make the first move, you will always be waiting. Bumble का पूरा thought process है कि you can right swipe, left swipe, how many ever people if you're a guy. If a chick right swipes you, she has to message you आगे से. Have you seen any woman take any initiative to message another dude? अरे message another dude, do anything bro, be proactive about anything. I don't understand, like, and people are like ke, oh you know it's good, you know dating apps pe creeps rehte hain and everything. How is that going to stop any creep behavior? If you don't message आगे से, regardless, if you message आगे से also, if the guy is a creep, the guy is going to be a creep regardless. So I don't understand Bumble, and they have these subscriptions and stuff. Do not pay for any of it. They want you to be on the app. They don't want you to find love. If you're looking for love, I've heard a few people that I know जिनको genuine love of their life मिला है dating app से, which is very shocking actually. Like I don't think you will find a long-term relationship on a dating app, because you have to judge the other person in like 5 seconds. एंड सबके थके हुए प्रोफाइल्स रहते हैं, एंड चिक्स विल से स्टफ लाइक कि अगर वो मेरे को हे भेजेगा तो आई एम नॉट गोना टॉक टू हिम, एंड इफ दे मेक द फर्स्ट मूव, द फर्स्ट थिंग दे गोना से इज हे. सो दैट्स अ फकिंग डबल स्टैंडर्ड. आई फील एनीवन हु इज लुकिंग फॉर ट्रू लव, यू शुड स्टॉप लुकिंग फॉर ट्रू लव. देयर इज नो सच थिंग एज ट्रू लव. And secondly, if you're looking for true love, I don't think you should be on dating apps. अगर आपको सही में भाई love of your life ढूंढना है, if you're that type of person, I think you should try Instagram instead. Instagram is much better, because Instagram at least you get to know the person better, like what kind of stories this person puts, उसका taste क्या है, how does this person look. Like Bumble पे you've got only a limited amount of pictures जिससे you have to judge a person. इंस्टाग्राम पे भी पीपल कैन डू कैटफिश, पर कभी ना कभी तो कोई ना कोई अगली पिक्चर डालेगा ही. लाइक 2 बज रहे रात के, यूर लाइक भाई ये पिक्चर मैं ऐसा कूल कैप्शन डालूंगा, नीड न्यू हेटर्स बिकॉज ओल्ड हेटर्स आर बिकमिंग फैंस. ऐसा कुछ घटिया हरकत कर दिया किसी ने. या स्टोरीज में कितने बार पीपल विल रीपोस्ट अ स्टोरी एंड दे विल नॉट लुक एट इट, दे विल जस्ट रीपोस्ट इट. उसमें यू विल गेट टू नो कैसे पर्सन दिखाई दे रहा है. एंड मेजर यू गेट टू नो अबाउट अ पर्सन के अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टॉक अबाउट देयर म्यूजिक टेस्ट. तो कैसे स्टोरीज डाल रहे वो लोग, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ शो दे वॉच. अगर हीरा मंडी देख रहे हो तो यू नो दिस पर्सन इज अ फकिंग हो और सम शिट लाइक दैट. तो आई थिंक इंस्टाग्राम इज द बेस्ट डेटिंग ऐप that helps you understand a person way better. Bumble uninstall करो, Tinder भी uninstall करो. If you want hookers, तुम्हारे सिटी में रेड लाइट एरिया तो रहेगा ही, वहाँ पे चले जाओ. But Bumble is a scam. I don't think people should be on Bumble. Speaking of Bumble and finding life partners, here's the thing. I don't know if any chick listens to this podcast, because लास्ट एपिसोड में मैंने टेलर स्विफ्ट को कुछ बोल दिया तो इंस्टाग्राम पे थोड़े लोग भड़क गए. सी, यू नीड टू रियलाइज दैट आई डोंट गिव अ फक. इफ यू लाइक समथिंग आई विल मेक फन ऑफ इट टिल द एंड. आई एम नॉट मेकिंग फन ऑफ यू, आई एम मेकिंग फन ऑफ योर चॉइसेस. योर चॉइसेस आर इन योर कंट्रोल. आई एम नॉट मेकिंग फन ऑफ योर अपीयरेंसेस और योर पेरेंट्स. दैट विल बी टू लो इवन फॉर मी. बट आई एम मेकिंग फन ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली चेंज, लाइक द टाइप ऑफ म्यूजिक you listen to. If you listen to Taylor Swift, then you should really consider your life choices ki like kya hai. And a lot of people were like, oh, you're just fetching for big name, you're just attention seeking. Tum attention seek kar rahe ho. Bro, what do you think Taylor Swift does with her 25 breakup songs? She wants your sympathy. That is the only reason why anyone does anything. Either it's to like gain recognition, make money, or just need fucking sympathy. So I don't understand how am I any different than your fucking god Taylor Swift. Besides the point, RCB fans, you fucking suck. Here's the thing that a lot of chicks don't know about, कि अगर एक आदमी को, if a man really likes a woman, like there's this thing ना, मर्द अपने पसंदीदा औरत के लिए बहुत कुछ कर सकता है. That is actually very true. Bro, kings used to build monuments for their wife. Example, Taj Mahal. Bro, that is like the biggest example of I love you so much, I will build a grave essentially that people will consider a symbol of love. Sure, उसके बाद जो workers थे उसमें they got their hands cut and everything, but you have to understand the emotion. Men used to go to war at one point, and they used to do that not because they want to do it and there is no other option. Basically, they were doing it for their family. Now why I am saying this is, to all the chicks, if a guy is not putting in any efforts for you, you have to realize maybe you're the fucking problem. I have not seen, हो भी सकता है, but मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस में मैंने कभी भी एक बंदे को नहीं देखा है who is actually head over heels for a woman and he will not put in efforts. ठीक है, थोड़े cases रहते हैं where guys are just not interested, honestly, and that there's nothing wrong with that. Someone can be physical with you, a man can be physical with you and not be interested in you. That is completely fine. There's nothing wrong with that, and there's nothing wrong with you or him. You are just not clear that way. You feel कि just because he's being physical with you, he like likes you and stuff. ऐसा नहीं रहता है. At least guys का तो ऐसे नहीं रहता, because I'm a man, I can speak from my fucking experience. So if a guy is not putting in any efforts, fucking he doesn't like you. Get over with your life. But on the other hand, if a guy is putting in a lot of efforts for you, I want you to realize this, chicks, that he obviously really appreciates you, and you really have an impact on him. This sounds very corny. I don't know why I'm even talking about this. मेरे को लगा बात करने का, इसके लिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. There is no ulterior motives behind this. So what you need to understand is, if a guy is putting in इतना efforts for you, he actually cares about you, goes without saying. But the flip side is that if you disrespect that guy or if you like mistreat him, then what you are doing is you are basically showing him that you're not worth all these efforts. समझ में आ रहा है? So if a guy is treating you nicely, be nice. Don't be over smart. Like I see chicks doing this where they're trying to be over smart. They're like, oh, how many people do you tell this line to? बहन तेको बोल रहा है, just enjoy. Don't fuck it up. With that being said, the last thing जो मेरे को बात करना था आप लोगों के साथ आज is alcohol and types of drinkers. Basically, if you haven't drank alcohol yet and if you're below the age of 18, I don't think you should be drinking also. This is just my advice. अगर करना है तो करो, तुम्हारा body है. Everybody starts off with Old Monk. If you're an Indian, I think Old Monk is the first thing you've tried. And उसके बाद से you're just like, bro, ये क्या चीज़ है? Everybody I know has had one near-death experience with Old Monk. Bro, it's like a toxic ex, bro. Like you're like, अच्छा मजा आया, but I don't want to be near this person ever again. Old Monk रहता है, then you get थोड़ा mature, you start drinking थोड़ा vodka, and everybody remembers their first hangover. Hangovers, for people who've not experienced it, I would really recommend मत करो ये. It's like तुम next दिन उठते हो, your head is hurting, like you're like कोई hammer लेके तुम्हारे सर पे बजा रहा है, lights bother you, like भाई सूरज देख लोगे, you'll be like बंद कर बे ये, and you're just like मेरे को भाई मौत आ जाए, मौत बेटर लगेगी मेरे को. And there are different types of drinkers in my experience. एक बंदा रहता है जिसका बिल्कुल कैपेसिटी नहीं है, मतलब वो भाई नींबू पानी में भी थोड़ा सा वोडका मिला देगा ना, उसको चढ़ जाएगी. एंड दोज आर द फन टाइप्स बिकॉज यू नो भाई ये एक ड्रिंक में ही डाउन होने वाला है. दूसरे रहते हैं जो पी के ना वायलेंट हो जाते हैं, लाइक नॉट लाइक मारने उतरते, बट दे गेट लाइक मोर एनिमेटेड एंड दे लाइक शॉर्ट करना है क्या, देखो तू शॉर्ट करेगा क्या, तेरा भाई गाड़ी चलाएगा, तेरा भाई गाड़ी बोला ना तू भाई है मेरा. दे विल जस्ट लाइक गेट ग्रैबी एंड स्टफ. थर्ड टाइप है दैट आई हैव सीन, दे will not shut up, bro. Like उनका मुंह मतलब they will usually be introverts, पर दारू पीने के बाद पता नहीं उनका TED talk चालू हो जाता है. They will keep on talking like मैंने ये क्या, मैंने वो क्या, मैंने ये क्या, मैंने वो क्या, and you're just like bro ये किधर है ये person, where is this person when you're not drinking. And एक और आदमी रहता है, आदमी तो ठीक है. Here's the thing, if a chick tells you now that she can handle her alcohol, she can't. Like मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में जितनी भी बार बंदियों ने मेरे को बोला ना आई कैन हैंडल माई अल्कोहल, they are like the first people who will puke on you. So that is like a tip, bro. कोई बंदी बोलती ना आई कैन हैंडल माई liquor, she cannot. And the thing with alcohol is कि you can bond with people over alcohol very easily because सबका filter चला जाता है after a point, which is a good thing also and a bad thing also because you don't want to use that to like have social interactions. Like after a point you will have to be sober. The worst experience in my life is when you are the only person who's sober. Bro, fuck, people क्या annoying हो जाते हैं. You just like I am not enjoying this, please बंद करो ये. And people who puke ना, I feel सबको लाइफ में एक बार तो उल्टी करना चाहिए so that you know where your limit is. पर जो एक से ज़्यादा बार puke करते हैं ना, these guys have some mental issue because एक बार तुमने उल्टी की, you get disgusted by yourself, you stop. पर अगर तुम बार बार उल्टी करते हो तो there is genuinely something wrong with you and you should stop drinking. Other than that, yeah, like use alcohol wisely, don't drink and drive, don't be that idiot. And that's it for this episode. I know थोड़ा all over the place था, थोड़ा haphazard था, apologies. A lot is happening in my life right now. मैं eventually उस पे भी एक episode करूँगा. Don't worry. If you like this, make sure you subscribe to the podcast on Spotify, Instagram पे ईशान अरोरा experience clips को make sure you follow that. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Shorts upload हो रहे हैं daily. And yeah, just be careful, bro. लोगों को essays लिखने पड़ रहे हैं. क्या था वो यार? उस पर भी मेरे को बात करना है, but that is for another episode. I really appreciate everybody who's listening, everybody who's watching. I will see you guys in another episode. Till then, take care. Bye.